Turning your regular bicycle into a powerful electric bike has never been easier. The right e-bike conversion kit can boost speed, climbing power, and riding comfort without buying a brand new e-bike. Whether you need a torque-sensing mid-drive system, a high-powered hub motor, or an extreme performance setup, there's an option for every rider. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best e-bike conversion kits of 2026. We researched product specifications and real user feedback to create this list. Check the links in the description for updated prices, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Number 5, Tongsheng TSDZ8/TSDZ2B/TSDZ16 Mid-Drive E-Bike Conversion Kit. The Tongsheng TSDZ series is a popular mid-drive conversion kit featuring an advanced torque sensor that delivers smooth and natural pedal assistance. Available in 250W, 500W, 750W, and 1000W versions, it offers excellent performance for commuting, trail riding, and long-distance cycling. The efficient mid-drive design improves climbing ability while maintaining balanced weight distribution. Compatible with many bicycle frames, it provides responsive power delivery, quiet operation, and an enjoyable riding experience for both beginners and experienced cyclists. Number 4, BAFANG BBSHD/BBS01/BBS02 Mid-Drive Motor Kit. The BAFANG BBS series is one of the most trusted e-bike conversion systems available today. Offered in 250W, 350W, 500W, 750W, and 1000W versions with both 36V and 48V options, it delivers powerful acceleration and dependable performance. The mid-drive motor maximizes efficiency by using your bike's existing gears, making steep hills much easier to climb. Installation is straightforward, and the kit supports various battery options, making it ideal for commuters, touring riders, and off-road adventures alike. Number 3, Kunray KR5V V2 72V 5000W Brushless Motor Kit. The Kunray KR5V V2 is built for riders seeking extreme power and high-speed performance. Its massive 72V 5000W brushless motor delivers outstanding acceleration and impressive torque for electric motorcycles, scooters, and custom e-bike projects. Designed with durable components and efficient cooling, it handles demanding riding conditions with ease. The complete motor kit supports advanced DIY conversions, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts who want maximum performance and reliable operation on every ride. Number 2, Little TT 72V 3000W MTX39 Rear Hub Motor Conversion Kit. The Little TT MTX39 Conversion Kit combines high power with reliable everyday usability. Featuring a 72V 3000W brushless gearless rear hub motor, it delivers smooth acceleration, quiet performance, and strong climbing capability. Compatible with 26-inch, 27.5-inch, 29-inch, and 700C wheels, it fits a wide range of bicycles. The durable hub motor requires minimal maintenance while providing consistent performance for commuting, recreational riding, or long-distance trips with excellent efficiency and dependable reliability. Number 1, Bymaocar 700C 48V 1000W Rear Wheel E-Bike Conversion Kit. The Bymaocar 700C Conversion Kit earns the top spot by offering an excellent balance of performance, reliability, and value. Its 48V 1000W brushless rear hub motor provides smooth acceleration, efficient power delivery, and dependable everyday performance. Built with a durable aluminum alloy wheel that supports loads up to 264 pounds, it also includes safety brake handles for improved control. Easy to install and compatible with many bicycles, this kit is perfect for commuting, fitness rides, and weekend adventures. A quality e-bike conversion kit can completely transform the way you ride. Whether you prefer a natural-feeling mid-drive motor or a powerful rear hub system, these 5 kits deliver excellent performance and value. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.